Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Rangers in the South. Last time we were playing, we had explored most of this island. Today I guess we'll finish it off and then move up into the desert. Last time we went to the desert, it got kind of rough. By that I mean that the enemies there were quite tough. We'll go over here. I need to remember my abilities now. Alright. That one. Here's the dash. Alright, nearly killed myself. There's the jump. Eat some food. Alright. We missed one. What's this one? Ah, yes. Alright. Good deal. Let's get to it. I forgot we got our little doggy. I believe we named him Rocky. We got Rocky with us. Well, I remember we encountered a big baddie just up here, like up north of this riverbank, I guess. I'm guessing that the enemy was not supposed to be there and that it actually fell down from like up here. Because it was a really tough enemy. That being said, if we find him again, we'll give him a try, see if we can fight him, but I just had a look. He's not like there. I would have to like run through the water. Alright. Where do we want to go? We want to... Sorry, let me zoom in here. We want to kind of circle around here and explore this back area over here. Let's see. See if we can find something new. Maybe another dungeon. Alright. Didn't hit that guy for a second. There we go. So this is all kind of unexplored land. Starting to get hungry, huh? A bear. How much meat we got? We got lots of meat. Alright. There's like a little... I'm a bit of a completionist, so I'm going to... See, there's like... I'm pointing on the map here. See, there's like a little piece here that is not explored. I need to go get that. Otherwise, my OCD will not let me rest. Will not let me rest. Do a little dash to make it a bit faster. Oh, I'm targeting the wrong area. Okay, there we go. Alright, we got a little shrine. Damage. I think that was a boss. Little mini boss. Alright, there's nothing here. So, I mean, oh wait, no, there is. Nice. Alright. Now we go up north a little bit. There's no teleporter in this area, which is surprising. Very surprising. What's this? Mountain roots? Is there more mountain roots here? Yeah. Can I jump over here? Can. Oh. Yeah. Oh, I'm about to die. Okay. So we take damage, we don't instantly die, okay. Being said, we need to... I guess we could jump. How do we get out of here? That is deep over there. Oh, a little bit of dashing seemed to work. Oh, there we go. Okay. Phew. That's annoying. Alright. We got pretty good regen. Look at our regen go. Wow. Here comes the bear. Alright. Another permanent health increase. Don't mind if I do. Bonk. That's a bit loud. I hit the guy behind him. Alright. I guess we'll explore around this pond area. Oh, there's a dungeon. Excuse me. Alright. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. What do we have in our inventory right now? Just a bunch of junk. That's not bad. We lose our crit though. Alright. Flip that. Shield? We don't wear shields. We're not a shieldman. We're an axeman. Oh, saw the pressure plate. Well, Manus does, so I'll get used to it. I mean, this is our first run with a new character. I think there's like a meta progression where if you die, your next character will be like stronger. Maybe make a different type of character, etc., etc. That being said, we haven't died. We haven't explored that part of the game just yet. Not saying we won't, just that we haven't. So, it's not feeling particularly difficult. Maybe you get more challenges. Although it could just be that we're like super over-leveled for where we are. Meaning we should have done this a while ago or something, I don't know. Not sure. There's a coin back there, it's fine. Alright. The big baddies. Nice. We're leveled up. Big backpack. Oh, I want that. Is that like, let me carry more? Drop is control plus. Oh. Drop. Move around it. Aha. Big backpack picked up. Okay, so it's just like an item we wear then. Okay. That's not bad. More defense. Honestly, not bad. I don't know. So we probably want the purple stuff. So we'll drop the non-purple stuff. Oh. This is going to be a little painful. Am I equipping? I'm equipping it. I'm not meaning to equip it. There we go. Drop. Alright, I'm not dropping it over here. There we go. That was better. Okay, open you. Open you. Another battle axe. That looks like a single-handed battle axe. I mean, I'll have a look at it. Let's see. Yeah, single-hander. Magic damage. These are almost better, even though the other ones, the ones I'm currently wearing, are can't equip a shield and our big. Fine, we'll stick with our big weapon. So our current boots are legendary, but these ones are approaching, getting better or being better than our legendary boots. Just because it's a higher level of item, I guess. Oh, set camp. Let's do that. Damage. I like damage. Now we have the maximum amount of skills. We have 5, I think. So I think we would have to override a skill to learn these. So I'm inclined to do. You have 10% duplicate the damage to the nearest enemy. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. Actually. Even if we weren't like capped on skills, that sounds pretty cool. Alright. What are we looking for? Nothing? Just clearing out the remainder of this jungle area. Demon bone bow. Demon bone bow. I'll take a demon bone bow. There we go. Attack damage. Can I get across here? Haste my blade. Okay. There we go. That's the jungle area completed. So I guess we'll move over to the desert? That wasn't a question. Just not sure. I guess in terms of progression, that makes sense. Let's do it. Grab some flowers on the way. Right. Now I'd be interested to see if we can one-shot these new enemies. Volcano to the left. I'm assuming Volcano will be the... Ooh, we could one-shot these guys, that's good. I'm assuming Volcano will be the final area. So far, so good. Beware of the sandstorms. Alright, you got it. Sandstorms. Be careful of sandstorms, he says. Let's dance. Let's dance. Diamond broadsword. That sounds cool. What am I hearing right now? Okay. I mean, we're just making our way up. Oh, you're tanky. Did a lot of damage too. Ow. Sandstorm, take cover. Movement speed. Oh, there's a little tornado over there. So what do we actually do in a sandstorm? Do we have to leave? Oh no, looks like we're out of it over here. Okay. Cool. What level are these guys? Level 7 looks like. Why does my dog always sound like he's like crying or whinnying? Some of these mountain roots. Fire shall rain, huh? That stands. What if I don't want that? What if I'm tone deaf? What's this on the map here? Rock? Random rock. Alright. Cool. What's this? We already have an extra shark. Oh, okay. I only have one. I gotcha. Can't tell. Is there a timer on the shrine? How do I know? Oh, it fades away. It just said there. Okay. 40% damage. 40% magic damage. I guess that's a important distinction. Oh, that guy was running at me. What was that? What is that? A little hedgehog? A little hedgehog. Well, I mean, makes sense that he's so fast, right? It's not blue though. It's not Sonic. He's fast. Alright, let's try to push a little bit deeper into this area. See if we can find something new. We're not one-shotting them anymore, for the most part. So every now and then we do. Mine. Warrior. Okay. Bunch of roots. Don't mind if I do. Can you, oh, I was dodging a lot, so I think so was he. Where? Wow. All the way at the top, huh? What'd you say to me? How dare you? Bonk. Bonk. Ice wand. I'm not gonna bother picking stuff up unless, like, it actually seems like it would be good for me. There's a, there's a little oasis here. What? Why so vicious? another two-hander. Let's go ahead and drop the wizard hat, I guess. So the one on the right is ours. The ours seems better currently. Let's have a look in the dungeon. So the dungeon may be difficult this time because the area is a little higher leveled. Yeah. Hello. You're checking the inventory. Well done. Okay. I hit him twice there with that level up thing that I got. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Opening these up more just in case there's like a health pot or something like that. Speaking of health pot, oh, I didn't know that was open. Okay. Cool. Time to go back. That must have opened up something. Diamond, what's that, scythe? Diamond axe, looks like a scythe. Look up here. Oh, okay. Murder. Murder. We committed murder. I guess we can, oh, we need to clear out the enemies. We can do that. Say no more. Okay, we can do it now. Let's see. Magic damage. We don't deal magic damage. Attack speed. We want to kind of kill things in one shot, pretty much. Defense. We're not really playing a tanky character, so we'll go with crit chance. Deal more damage while wearing a shield. We don't. Each fired arrow. We don't. Decrease the cooldown of all skill or spells, but decrease attack speed. Maybe. When casting a spell, you have a 33% chance to trigger a blood explosion. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. We can do that pretty quick now, huh? What? Alright. Alright, I'm not playing this game. Like that? Ow. I didn't like that. Hey guys. Oh, that attack speed really is slow, huh? Wow. Crystal bow. Flip the lever cronk. Anyone know where that's from? Okay. So far, so good. Have a look. Oh, there's a lot. Don't mind me. Ow. Just gonna take a while to break all these, oh, a potion. I may, do I need to, I may drop something. Drop you with the potion. Just in case. There's another potion. I don't think we need another one. Or another one, even. Alright then. Yeah, here's where the bosses usually are. Divine coin. Nice. Holy plate armor and fire blade. I don't mind if I do. We're actually fairly close to leveling up again. I know we've been keeping this weapon for a while, but like I don't think we need to. Defense, bonus attack, and life. Ooh, that's better. It's the same type of item. I'm not gonna look at this thing. Fireblade. Yeah. Meh. Here. Crusader boots. We're gonna get the Crusader boots. Crusaders. Meh. I mean, I'll take them to sell, but alright. Cool. First dungeon in the desert area cleared. Oh, I wanna get this. More health. Huh? Oh, we can level up again. Oh, goodness, that attack speed. Alright. Chance to deal critical. Yeah, I think that's it. Alright. Everything that you touch turns into gold. Every 7th consecutive attack generates gold equivalent to 2% of the damage dealt. Every 3 seconds, an arrow is fired to a random enemy. Requires about... End of Midas. I'm gonna reroll. Okay. Second strike. Your next attack will be critical strike. Sprint, boost your movement speed. When an enemy takes damage, there's a 25% chance to freeze. We're probably killing them. I'm gonna reroll again. Ice explosion, decrease fall damage by 50%. That's good. Hunger generation is reduced, but now you can only eat plants. Okay. Passively return 10% of the damage taken to the enemy. I think the fall damage. Honestly. Because I can see us breaking our ankles, falling down somewhere at some point. So I'm gonna go sell, I think. I'm going to go sell stuff. Okay. We missed wherever that is. I don't know where that is, but assuming they're in order, we missed that one somewhere. Alright. What was his name? Was his name Gary? He kind of feels like a Gary to me. Alright, so sell... wait, that's equip. Sell? There we go. Take all of these. I don't need them. Take some potions too. Okay. And what you got for me? Demon head armor. Bonus attack 11. I do like that. This one's got magic damage, it's got life on it. Slightly lower defense, but I think it's worth it. How much money do we have? Oh, we've got quite a bit of money. I'm gonna get that. Dragon boots. That's also really good. Get that. Demon Edge. Not as good as what we have currently. I think that's it for now. It's all the upgrades, so go ahead and equip that, sell these, and we move on with our day. Okay, let's have a look at our potion vendor. Big potion. They restore 140, 300. We don't have enough for the big ones. These all kind of look like standard potions, so I guess we're fine. I think we're okay. Alright, so I think that'll do it for today. What are we at? We're at about half an hour or so into the video. What did we do? We finished off the forest area. And we got, what is that, like maybe a third through the desert. Hopefully next episode we can get through the rest of the desert. And then start moving into, I'm guessing this is the end, or the volcano or something. I don't know. I'd imagine we're getting close to something, the end, maybe? I don't know. We're 9 out of 15 dungeons, which is pretty good. But anyways, that's going to be it for now. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.